What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Kylie, and we back with another video. And as y'all can see from the setup, you already know we finna do another hair video. So today's video is gonna be sponsored by Nadula hair. They sent me this deep wave hair. As y'all can see, it's highlighted. We're gonna be trying this today. So if you want this hair, make sure you click the link in the description box. Everything will be down below. So as y'all know, a week ago I had did a video, first time ever installing a wig on myself. So now it's my second try and we're gonna see how I do. So yeah, everybody was telling me I need to put it up farther. So that's what I'll be doing in today's video. So I did bleach the unit and I did pluck it. So I'm finna show y'all. So this is the plucking. So boom. I definitely did better than last time. But yeah, y'all already know we finna braid this hair down. We're gonna do 2 braids because like I said, I can't braid on my hair. Can't do scalp braids. So I'm gonna do those 2 braids and I'm gonna be back. But while I'm braiding my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I had bleached the hair and what I used, shampoo and conditioner, and how that went.
From 8 until late, I think about you. On my nights, I don't know what to do. I can't get no rest, can't get no sleep. Yeah, this whole thing got way too deep, and we should stop making a big deal out of the little things. Cause I got big deals and I got little things. I got everything I'm asking for, but you stop making a big deal out of the little things. Let's get carried away. Come right now, you know where I stay. I just wanna say you're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. All I'm really asking for is you. You're mine. I just wanna say you're mine. Would you hurry, you're mine. Long as you know who you belong to.
Alright y'all, so I did the 2 braids, slicked my edges down. I'm gonna put this wig cap on. Alright y'all, so this time I'm gonna be putting more of this spray.
Get into it, if you go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get into it. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these times, take you to Batman.
It should be dry, so I'm finna cut it. So I'm gonna try to get it as close as I can.
I got plenty that you ain't got running for shoddy. Got that extra when he in love with my body. Get into it, come about with you. Get into it.
Alright y'all, so I did reapply my cap and I used Got To Be spray. So that was my problem. I will only be using Got To Be spray from now on. So let me see how this wig looking before I add the makeup. And let's see. So hopefully when I add the makeup, we can get that situated. But yeah, you guys, I need y'all to comment down below. Like, what do I need to be doing to where the bottle cap don't show under the wig? Because that's basically like the only problem I've had. Alright, boom. Got that cleaned up. Alright, I did add some makeup to the actual lace, so let's see. Okay. This gonna be real cute. So I'm gonna apply the glue.
Right around the love, right around the trust, right around the dick. Right around the slap me up, think that I'm going to fit. Right around the rough play, right around the talking to me. Oh, yeah.
There go the second layer. We're gonna do it good. Third layer. Alright, so it's on there. I'm gonna let that dry and I'll be back when it's time to cut the lace. But as y'all can see, it's the hair. So I'm gonna cut the lace. So this how the wig look with no edges. I'm gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. Okay, period. I add this mousse to the hair. So this how the hair look with the mousse. I like the curl, it's cute. Alright, we're gonna take this lace band off and see what it's giving. Alright y'all, so this gonna be the final look. So this was my second time, and I think I did real good this time. Don't play with me. You know, I'm not a hairstylist, I'm not a professional, but I most definitely just did it. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comments if you like the hair. Of course, with more and more practice, I'm just gonna keep getting better and better and better. Like, this just my second install. But yeah, y'all, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I don't know why it took me so damn long to do this, but I'm gonna keep this in for a few days because it's cute. But yeah, that's gonna be the final look. Once again, if y'all want this hair, make sure you check the description box below. And yeah, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And I will see y'all in the next video.
Too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack.